Jim Reepsula, Socks of By Art. I want to give you a tour of my new pad. So let's start. Yes, the windows are barred just because people do break in, but it does kind of give this feeling like I'm in jail, which kind of feels like it some days when it's really hot and the walls are all white and I don't know. Anyway, but here is my cot or my bed. Pretty sweet. So that's the bedroom. Kind of ends where this cloth with a little rug carpet blanket thing ends. And then here is the living room. This is the living room slash dining room. So what's cool is that these are things called tails, and you can pop these down anywhere. Actually, most Khmer homes have them. This is where people sit and angkuilang or relax and eat. This is, I tried to put the cushions on there. You don't normally have cushions like that, but got my shoes here, got my formal, informal, running, and football. So you can see half my life is sports. This thing is full of all my dirty laundry that I'm gonna go take care of in just a moment. Hey, and what's cool about this place is it actually has a walk-in closet. This is my walk-in closet, people. Look at this. I walked in. This is my cabinet, basically, where I keep my other clothes. We've got the bathroom. Oh, you are in for a treat. Let us see what is going down here. I don't know if the floor is wet or not. So this toilet seat is disgusting. It's thoroughly cleaned, but obviously stained from who knows what. So I'm gonna get a new one. There is no way to flush the toilet except for this. So let's demonstrate. Get this, and you just flush the toilet like that. Boom, flushed. And this is also doubling as the shower. So to shower, you just fill this up from the little nozzle here, and then you shower, and all the water would go down the drain there. So it's like a shower toilet all in one. So I guess hypothetically you could shower while still on the toilet. Yeah, that's a little weird, but oh, and then the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. So still need to arrange some things, but this is my mirror. Tried to hang it on this thing, and then the nail like fell off, so almost broke the mirror. I don't know how many years of bad luck that is. And yeah, that's that. Oh, this is my AC. Along with that, it's my other AC. You can see there's like a gap between the wall and the roof, and the same thing with like the next door neighbors. So it's not that the walls are thin, but you couldn't just hear everything in these places because there's a gap. All right, well, this is my house tour. Hope you enjoy. All right, peace.